Hi guys, this is Martin, aka Martin the Vlogger, and of course, welcome to the garage, studio, online shop, workshop, call it as you like. And who don't know, that's of course the beast, the most legendary Spider F3S in the world, period. That's Ryker 900, one of the 3 other Ryker 900 rallies that I will use for tour and rental agency. Some projects going on there, of course. And this is Ryker 900, just the basic version. And today we will turn it into Bloody Mary. Wait for it. It's gonna be cool, it's gonna be awesome, it's gonna be creepy. And we will remove some things, we will put some things on. And you will find out more in this video. Now, I just need to clear the space a little because we need a lot of, empty space for our project. And we need to get moving. So, enough of this. Let's get started. All right, now before I will start doing the wrap and we will change the look, this bike, this Ryker 900, is actually the one that you was able to see on my video. It's called Bargain, and I bought it for about 10k euros, and it's fully loaded bike. It's still just a Ryker 900 basic, not the rally version, but fully loaded. A lot of plastic, additional plastic things and protectors, windshield, and a back seat. And we will remove a few of them and I will explain you why. So why we are removing this windshield? Don't get me wrong, it's quite decent windshield. It's original by BRP and it can cover even the whale-sized dude like me. However, 2 things. First, it will not fit to the style of the bike. So Bloody Mary will be without it and looking more aggressive. 2, on the tours with me, regular typical tour will take 4 or 5 hours. And I want you to feel the wind. Wind, it's part of the fun. And when I was riding with the windshield, I was like, nah. So, Bloody Mary will be without wind protector. All right, also, this seat will go off because this is a Ryker 900, not a rally version. It will be used only for a solo riding. And also, we will need that back part later in the project. So this max mount that is there. So we'll remove it. Goes a little bit harder, Need some push. There we go. So we will use it for rallies only. Now, one additional comment towards seats. This one, the Bloody Mary, has already comfortable seat from BRP. This is how your Ryker comes as a stock with this foam seat, whatever. Whoever designed this should be, I don't want to say tortured to death, but close to it. So every single Ryker in my tour agency will have a comfortable seat because I don't want to be riding on that one. It's just terrible seat. Yep. All right, so an additional thing that we will remove are these air vent protectors or air intake protectors. The reason why I'm doing it is because, they look awesome, but we'll use them for other projects on a rally. For this project, I will be removing the whole part on the other side and we'll replace it with Can-Am filter because, again, it will bring aggressiveness to the bike. And another reason is I don't really have a wrap over those. So anyway, we need to remove them. So yeah, let's do it. I just don't know how, but I think it's a twin tape there. So we need to heat it up a little. All right, so lesson learned. There is no twin tape, obviously. Heat was not the actually bad factor because the plastic is not that fragile with more heat, but anyway, it was not the solution. You can see there are pins or clips like that, so you need to just push it on one side and make sure you unhook it, So how it should work is just push it to the side Try not to break it. There you go. There we go. Good. Now we are already at the bottom of the bike, and the last thing I need to remove is this radiator protector. The reason why I'm doing it is because, first of all, I will replace it with more complex one, and two, anyway, I need to get with my wrap over the, over here, and it's in my way. Now this Ryker 900, it's much lower than Ryker 900 Rally, and I would like to give this bike a proper radiator protection and proper protection from the bottom. One thing that we did is actually we have here the aftermarket springs. I kept the shocks, but these are high performance springs. You can get them only on MartinTheVlogger.com/shop. These are German springs. We have them in different colors and they're just absolutely awesome. They can solve the problems. When I'm hitting the potholes, I was hitting the bottom of the bike. With those, not really. And also what we did before, we have a Baharon sway bar installed. So whoever is riding with me, I can feel secure that the bike is not hitting, bumps with the bottom of the bike, and also you will get more comfort and more joy from the ride. Now, let's remove this one. All right, so after we have removed this, and as you can see, it's quite beaten. After we have removed that, it's time to put something back on. And I told you, the bike was fully loaded. So the dude has bought a set of these, and they are called grill trims, I guess. Of course, they are official part from BRP, and they go something like this on the bike. So I will put them on. My question here is, what do you think? How much set of these two plastic pieces cost? Just write it to the comments. I would like to see who's going to be closest. And after I will put them on, I will tell you the price. Two of these, how much they cost. And of course, no purpose, just a look upgrade. And in your mind, you will get at least 5 horsepower in your mind. Yeah. So, by the way, whoever wants, official part of BRP do not have manuals. So I'm making an installation video of these. So what do you think? The installation is over, and me personally, I love it. It gives that angry character to it, and wait for the wrap. It's gonna look awesome. And I told you I'm gonna tell you the price. And the price is $245.
What? What?
For these two plastic trims. It's crazy. Plus BRP, I created the video, the installation video. BRP will not give you manual. So you buy it and you don't know how to really mount it. They want you to go to the BRP center and pay what? Another $100 for installation? It's crazy.
What?
But the angry character, we ain't gonna do it on this video, but Bloody Mary will get this angry teeth. Of course, you can get it on MartinTheVlogger.com/shop. But this part we will not install today because it needs to go to the powder coating. Well, you will find out later. Now, before the really application of the wrap, I need to remove some decals and logos because they will be not there. So that's the final thing. Plus, I'll need to make sure wrapping is all about prep and good temperature. So we got something like 20 degrees in the studio, so that's great. But we need to prep the bike, so it needs to be clean, and there cannot be any grease whatsoever. So I have cleaned the bike, but still somewhere, wherever I will be applying the wrap, I just need to clean it more properly. Now fucking what? This is just, I don't know how many pieces are there, but this is getting crazy. Okay, so what you think? This is like 1/4 of work is being done. And of course, it's a new day and back to normal. And yesterday I was here till like 3 o'clock in the morning. Woke up at 6 because I could not wait to continue working on it. So now, maybe a story for some that it's thinking to have a wrap. In case you would like to have a wrap like this is going to be exclusive because it's my design. So it's going to be on MartinTheVlogger.com/shop. But I will talk about it in different videos. So whoever is thinking about applying wrap, time-wise, what you see now, 8 hours, okay? I think the whole bike, it's like 24 hours, but including wheels, like wheels, not fenders, all the way to the back, including rear fender. So it's gonna be like 24 hours of constant work. Now, towards the quality, I love the quality of the wrap. It's good, it's very good, I'm surprised by that. The things like this that you can see, that was something I was worried, like how is it gonna look on the bike? And if you are really close, it's not that interesting. It's not really bothering me, but it's not that interesting. But if you go further back, it works with the bike. I like the style, how it is done. And why it is done this way, why there is not a complete wrap. First reason is because of the plastic. This is good plastic, but this is only the one plastic that is high quality on the bike, and these are the side panels. But most of the plastic is like this. And they have something like goosebumps. So the regular foil will basically not stick on the bike. So you need to apply different foil. It's quite expensive foil. So that's the reason why the wraps are expensive. And that's the reason why they are cut in certain shapes, because they are really like, it's tough. The quality of the promo, the quality of the, it's very thick, okay? So you will be not able to go around the corners and hook it here. And yeah, I mean, there is nothing else to share. Let's continue working. So, bike is nowhere near to a finish, but this is it from today's episode. Another day turned into a night, and I need to finish today. So, stay tuned because we will finish the bike. I love Wilson. What do you think about Wilson? Yeah, there are a few cool things actually, like hidden things on the bike, like there is a scoreboard, and I will tell you more on the next episode. What we will also do, as you can see, the grill, and it needs to be there, radiator protector, whatever. It's just gonna look awesome. We're gonna remove that thing, and we're gonna put the big Can-Am air intake, and we will do something with lights. So definitely stay tuned. Guys, thank you very much for watching. And remember, enjoy winter time and do whatever customizations you like to your bikes. And always have fun!